First step is to install the battery base. Please be sure to tighten the universal wheel nut. In the second step, we stack the battery. The third step is to install the inverter on the top. Step 4, let's connect the cables. Connect the battery cable first. Then connect the inverter cables. If you need to install 2 or more batteries, the inverter cables must be welded. Don't forget to use the RS485 communication line to connect the inverter and battery. Then we install the Wi-Fi pocket. Let me turn it on for testing.